economy was ranked among the best in the Caribbean. When the PNP got it, what they do? They start to chop it up, bit by bit, bit by bit. And by 1974, they start to talk about
things different.
they are now a socialist party.
Things different.
And the then Prime Minister said, yes, there's my neighbor. And I'm going to hold Castro's arm. I'm going to walk hand in hand with Castro to the top of the mountain. When the Jamaican people start to say, no, we don't like that form of government, the then Prime Minister said to the Jamaican people, listen, I'm me around things. If you don't like what is happening in Jamaica, there is 5 flights a day to Miami. Air Jamaica became one of the richest airlines in the Caribbean because thousands of Jamaicans took Air Jamaica, migrated, run left their country. You know what went to them? The brain drain. Jamaica suffer under PNP.
Yeah, man, Jamaica suffer under PNP, right? That's
that here is an international shirt, arrow shirt. You know where the largest factory to manufacture arrow shirt was? We are at Bay Farm Road and Walton Park Road, arrow shirt. Jackie Brief, the largest factory, was in Hanover. Goodyear, the largest factory, we made tires and exported, was in St. Thomas. We used to make light bulbs in Jamaica. We used to make steel in Jamaica. We used to make zinc in Jamaica.
And we used to use bucket charge.
We used to make toothpaste, Colgate, Palmolive used to be made in Jamaica. Johnson and Johnson was here in Jamaica. Who run them out of Jamaica? Michael Manley and the PNP run them out of Jamaica. And with that, when the jobs, and that, what they did was replace it with something called crash program. Man just sit on the sidewalk and get money. It's the same thing they want to bring back now. Because one time they will tell me, say, take $40 billion and just spend it so. Labourites, comrades in a Sam Sharp listening to me. Do not fall for 3-card trick by Chaka Chaka and the band of Mickey Mouse. There's a whole set of them running up and down like chicken without it. And hear me, they have been on the road for 2.5 years, running up and down time come. All of a sudden now, we hear a different tune, them blood and fire. And if you switch, you are going up in a ditch. And all the negative things to frighten people because they have nothing progressive to say to the Jamaican people. We choose Jamaica. Andrew Holness have no multiple passport and birth certificate. We know what Andrew Holness is all about. We have no doubt. You think I want a man to be my Prime Minister? But he's got the United Nations to speak and the mic drop down him up on the mic. Yo, 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 yo.
No, we have an intelligent Prime Minister. Intelligent Prime Minister. Intelligent Prime Minister.
No credibility. And hear me. Hear me, here I can't get another term unless you make it possible. I was with him on one of the cry coming out of Rosite was the question of water. I want to address that quickly. It don't make sense anybody fool you and tell you you're going to get water in a pipe tomorrow morning. Because I show when them come here Sunday night. They're going to tell you what gallon of water you're going to get. That the water are going to run. They're going to come with a bag of lies come tell you. The government of Dr. Holness have already started to put things in place. Jamaican, it is going to take some time. The work has started. I have said to the member of parliament that I will make $5 million available to him as member of parliament to assist with the trucking of water to the community as a part of alleviating the problem that exists there. But don't be fooled by anything they come here and tell you. Because they themselves don't believe the things that they are saying. But them so bare-faced and bad mind that they will stand up and tell you even they don't believe. So hear me. Choose Irrigation. Choose the Jamaica Labour Party. Choose Dr. Andrew Michael Holness to be the Prime Minister, to lead Jamaica, continue to lead us into the prosperity, deeper into the prosperity. This is not the campaign, you know. This is a run-up. When we come, God help them. When we come, God help them. Because if they think it's me, they're going to say, they have another guest coming. So I love you. God bless you. Choose Jamaica.
Labourites, the day has been long, and we understand that you are a bit tired. We are tired just the same. We have to build back the energy. We have to reserve the energy because we are like the 5 virgins with oil in their lamp and a little in one tilipad because we are preparing for the Master's call. And when the Master calls it, we will be there with oil in our lamp and extra oil. We will go run it. So hear the story. Them wrong with trouble and trouble. Once again, safe travel home. Safe travel home. Be on the lookout at all times.
And the first member of party is St. James Central as ever says.
And him can't raise him own hat, you know. The best ever beer Montego Bay has ever seen in the Labourites.
I'm running up and down, I'm confused. You know, moderns. I want to say the chorus that we are doing for Triban. But before we play that party and them want to check out the scissors them. Because I'm poor ribbon on the front. Poor ribbon! Liberate! Alright, one party and then.
Equal rights and justice is our everlasting song. Unity and progress.
And then we have Vernon Blake. So Mr. Vernon Blake. And then we have Mr. Vernon Blake. Then we have Cavalita Pro. Thank you. All right. Keep the applause going forward. Mr. Charles Thomas, please be ready. One second. And after Mr. Thomas, we invite Cheryl Dixon. And Christina Gordon. Christina. Craig Rashford, please make your way to collect your title. Alright, Craig is on his way. Give him a round of applause. Alright. Mr. Deladair Myers and Doreen Myers. Round of applause. Keep the applause going, man. Desiree Foster. Desiree Foster. Okay, thank you. Dorota Robinson. Eleanor. We invite Elita Evans. Elita Evans. Okay. Give a round of applause. Let's walk on the invisible red carpet. Alright. It's a good day, right?
Yes.
And now we invite your round of applause. And now we invite Elma Evans. Elma Evans. And we ask Mr. Elvis James to get ready. Elvis James. Irma Rowe.
Your value just gone. So please remember me.
Yesterday's crisis.
All right.
All right, thank you. So we
persons whose name are called and they are not here, where can they go?
all right, I'm going to get into that. All right. So we are at the end of our program, and we just want to thank the presenters once again for assisting us with the distribution. So we do have some here. We have some persons who didn't come to us. So you can reach out to NIC's office. You can go to our office, to our Onslow office, which is just 3 minutes down the road, and our team members will assist. You can call our head office as well and ask for Miss Kimberly Dawkins. But because you're here, the legal team is at the back, you can just make your way